Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X1 and the Honda CR-V. We will explore their distinct characteristics, helping you understand which compact SUV aligns best with your lifestyle. The X1 brings a touch of luxury and dynamic performance, while the CR-V focuses on practicality and everyday reliability. We will delve into performance, interior features, and overall value to guide your decision. When it comes to performance, the BMW X1 often delivers a more engaging drive. Its engines typically offer higher horsepower, providing brisk acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds. The Honda CR-V, however, focuses on a comfortable and efficient ride, with its engines delivering solid, dependable power for everyday driving. It emphasizes a smooth journey over raw speed. Inside, the BMW X1 exudes luxury with high-quality materials and a driver-focused cockpit, often featuring a large, curved display. It offers a sophisticated ambience. The Honda CR-V, conversely, excels in practicality and space. It provides generous passenger room and impressive cargo volume, often exceeding 39 cubic feet behind the second row, making it ideal for families and hauling gear. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. The BMW X1, with its premium feel and dynamic performance, typically commands a higher price point, often starting in the mid-40s of thousands of dollars. The Honda CR-V offers exceptional value, reliability, and lower running costs, often starting in the low 30s of thousands of dollars. For luxury and sportiness, choose the X1. For practicality and economy, the CR-V is an excellent option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.